This is a tutorial for CAD Model Features 2, parts 1 and 2, which will show mirror in sketch mode and then mirror in feature mode. Okay, so in sketch mode, we're just going to do a simple sketch. It's represented here. It's 3 lines connected on the fourth side by a construction line with 2 circles and a rectangle in the middle, and then we'll mirror that to the other side to get this symmetric figure. So dimensions don't matter here. This is really just a chance to get a feel for how mirror works. All right, I'm going to turn on the construction tool for the fourth line, and then I'll turn off it, put the rectangle in, and the 2 circles. All right, and again, we're not paying too much attention to the dimensions or the size. We just want to get some shape on there. Okay, so mirrors right by circular and rectangular pattern, which we've done before. We'll select mirror. So the first thing we need to do is select the geometry we want to mirror. So what I'm going to do is just click and drag, which will create this red window. All right, I'm going to highlight everything. We don't actually need to mirror the construction line, but in this case it doesn't matter. All right, I'm going to select mirror line. I'm going to select the line I want to mirror across. So that's our construction line here. Hit apply. Okay, and then we can close this out, and we have successfully moved that, mirrored that to the other side. So we'll go ahead and save that. Call it mirror 1. All right, and then we'll select the new IPT. All right, so the second part is independent of the first one. We're going to do a new sketch. We've got this simple shape here. So 0.5, 0.75, 0.5, 0.5, and then extrude it 0.75. So I'll just do that as 2 rectangles. All right, and then we extrude this 0.75. All right, and then there's 2 more things. We're going to put fillets here, 0.25-inch fillets, and then a 0.375 diameter hole through there. Let's start with the fillet. All right, then for the hole, instead of putting a center point there, what I'll do is just select hole, and we can, for placement, we'll just do linear, which is the default, and for the face, we'll select here. And it doesn't really matter where it goes. I can try to eyeball it up and move it roughly in the middle. And that was 0.375 for the diameter. So now we're going to mirror this whole part. All right, so back under pattern, we'll select mirror. So now we need to select the features we want to mirror. And I find it's easier to just grab them off the browser bar. So we want to get all 3. We want to get the extrusion and the fillets and the hole. All right, and now since we're in 3D space, we're not just going to select a mirror line, we're going to select a mirror plane. All right, and that would be this plane right here. And you see it gives us a little preview of what the final product will look like. We say OK. There you go. That part is mirrored. All right, we'll go ahead and save that. And that is it for the mirror tutorial.